It's your boy Moseefus, the 20 view king, and everything I do get 20 views. If it's a cartoon, what they do is 20 views. If it's me watching YouTube, it's 20 views. If it's me on Twitch with 3 concurrent viewers, it's 20 views. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, See if it's this everywhere. I'm in the house with my co-host, The Chat.
That's how we roll, that's how we roll.
It's Friday, non-music stream, y'all. It's a special joint we're trying to do. I'm trying to add more dimensions to the channel. If I had more time, I'd do everything. You know what I mean? I'd do a Monday or Wednesday, but I don't got more time. Like, I'm really here till 11:30 at night, and I can't be afforded to lose no sleep. I can't be affording to lose no sleep. I do this because I do enjoy it once I get into it. Like, it's the preparation and getting here and then going to sleep. But once we get like into it and like we see a couple of music videos, or I discover like an artist that or hear a song that I like, it's like, okay, it turns out to be worth it. It turns out to be worth it. I appreciate y'all coming down, rocking out with me. I appreciate y'all adding stuff to this damn list. Like, not even adding stuff, but giving me suggestions. Most probably is gonna be an interesting shuffle on this because, like, look, I got the Joker official trailer. I watched it. Oh no, I had it on. I had it on at work. French is easy. That's what homeboy just 21 seconds. That's not even a whole video, man. That's a bad idea. All right, let's get this going, man. Sneezing on people in New York's most dangerous hoods. Oh, that's crazy. That's crazy. K Bonafidee. See, this just popped up on my list. You only got 4.1. I got more subs than this dude do, and he's doing some dumb shit to get subs. Like, he doing some dumb shit in order to get attention. Like, fake sneezing on people. There ain't no dangerous hood. This is motherfucking Times Square. Like, Times Square is not a dangerous hood. I think that's clickbait like a motherfucker. Times Square is not a dangerous hood. Like, and if Times Square is as dangerous as any place in New York City is dangerous, there's a lot of fucking people there, you know. So there's a good chance you could run into a crazy. But there's a lot of cops there too. Like, it's like most people not trying to do nothing in Times Square. Like, they got sense because they know cops are gonna be right there, like in 10 seconds flat. Like. You know what I mean? And there's so many cameras. So, yeah, it's not dangerous. Like, you're sitting there, you're picking freaking fish in the barrel right now. All right, let's get this going, though.
Oh, shit. My bad. You are fucking kidding me. What you?
You are fucking kidding me.
You good, bro?
Oh, shit. Yo,
good, bro? Yo, fuck yo, bro.
Can I sneeze on
That was fake. That was fake.
Oh, shit. Yo,
good, bro? Yo, fuck yo, bro.
Can I sneeze on
That was fake.
Kick you in the ass.
Nobody sets it like that. That was so fake.
How's that? Have in there. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy K Bonafidee with a new video today. We're gonna be sneezing on people in Times Square, bro. This is a part 2 of the video, so make sure you like,
that's what I say. How you say most dangerous hood, bro? You stayed in Times Square. Like, exactly. He know.
Ah, shit, my bad. I had to sneeze, bro. I was trying to walk over there.
Good.
I'm supposed to wipe it off with my hand. I'm sorry, sir.
He's gonna do it again.
Ah, shit. Fuck, my bad.
No good.
Ah, my bad.
It's no good.
My bad. What you? My bad, bro.
You good, bro?
Oh, shit. Yo,
good, bro? Yo, fuck yo, bro. You good, bro? You good, my nigga? Yo, fuck you, do, yo, bro. You good, bro? Spring. You good, bro?
Shit like that, bro. You heard?
You don't have to kiss him on the neck and shit.
I'm not jacking out, bro. I sneeze, bro. You good? Yeah, bro. You good? I'm not jacking out, bro. I'm sneezing around.
I'm not jacking that. That's New York slang.
I got your hand on me, bro. Oh, you go sneezing and shit, bro. You know what you got, bro? Good?
You good? That's New York slang. It'll be very stereotypical New York.
I sneeze, bro. I sneeze. I just sneeze. You ain't sneeze, bro. Stop playing. I just sneeze, bro. There's the camera right there. It's the camera.
Why not any fucking white here recording right now? Hey, what is it?
Ah, shit. My bad. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, he's just stupid. I don't even know. So I'm not sure if these joints is real or fake, but I know he's good and stupid. And he's in Times Square. He's in Times Square. Most likely nobody's going to really do what they want to do to you in Times Square. Like, you go to the freaking P's, you go to Brownsville with this bullshit. Even if they think you joking, you're gonna get some type of discipline. You know what I mean? Even if they like know it off the bat, that's not really. But even if you freaking sitting there staging this shit in Brownsville, there's a good chance that somebody gonna freaking tell you get the fuck off the block with that bullshit. Like the UN, you're a fake actor. That you know what I mean? Like, this ain't the hood. It's that dumb shit. That's why you can't get no type of YouTube success doing dumb shit like this. I don't think.
I'm so sorry. Want me to wipe it off? Shit.
What you on, my nigga? You sitting here. The fuck, nigga?
It's a prank, bro. It's a prank, bro. It's a prank.
Oh, this nigga out here recording me and shit. Yo, what y'all niggas is on, man?
It's a prank, bro. It's water. It's water. It's water. It's water. You better fuck me up, bro.
Fuck, nigga, y'all niggas moving weird. Like, yo, what's up, bro?
No, shut.
You know where you at, nigga?
Nah.
He's in Times Square.
Where I'm at. Ah, shit. My bad. I'm so sorry.
She ain't even paying you no mind. She probably got people stopping her all day trying to talk to her.
What's good, bro? We doing a sneezer prank. That's a man, nigga.
Oh shit, it's a man. How you know?
Where I'm at, bro.
Wildin'.
Where I'm at. Ah, shit. My bad.
That's very possible.
I'm so sorry.
Very possible. Can't even tell no more, man. You gotta get the Carfax on him, like.
Oh, you're right there.
He know cause he.
What's good, bro? We doing a sneezer prank. That's a man, nigga.
He know cause he done hit that before. How do you know?
It's water, bro. It's water, bro.
He had the crying game happening on this shit. You gotta check the Carfax, bro.
Oh, my bad, bro. Yo, can I talk to you for a second?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Mika. Montreal, Canada.
You got beautiful eyes.
Thank you. Yes. Yes.
Can you get your number?
I have a boyfriend.
You have a boyfriend?
Yeah, I
Really?
do. Yeah.
I'm lying.
I swear.
What about Instagram?
Yeah, I can give you my Instagram.
My bad, bro. It's by accident, bro.
Alright, this is all he got. This hasn't been funny, not one.
Who you?
Bro,
Yo, ain't you that? Who you jacking? You the GD?
Chill.
You GD?
Nah, I'm not GD, bro.
What you jacking?
Bro, I'm jacking.
Oh, they think he freaking famous Richard and shit.
Nah, I'm GD, bro. I'm GD.
What?
No.
Yo, get this nigga right here.
Shit, bro. Yo, when he put me on the ground, bro, I think I bit my tongue, bro. I'm really risking my safety for y'all, bro. This shit hurts, bro.
And you only got 4.19 subs. You risking your safety. You a fucking fool. You a fucking fool. Ain't not enough money in the world. How long you been doing this dumb shit? Alright, it's only 3 months in. Good luck to you. This shit is dumb as shit.
Oh, shit. shit, my bad.
Sneezing on strangers, taking pictures of strangers,
Shit, that's the-
fake Walmart employee prank.
I'm sorry.
You fucking
You want me
employees,
to
I
wipe
hate
my
when
hands
people do
or
that.
something?
Sneezing
Want me
on
to wipe it off my
people.
hand?
This is what he do, sneeze on people.
Yeah, want me to wipe it
Touching
off my
people
hand?
disguised as a black guy, I can't read.
Sorry.
Kidnapping fake baby and luggage prank. What the fuck? What's his most popular video?
No.
This shit's a damn fool.
But no,
This is a damn fool. Making people eat sperm prank. Ah, you is K Bonafidee. This dude's a clown.
You are fucking
He wants to hit 100
Actually-
subscribers, 100,000 subscribers before 2025. Good
Wipe it off
luck,
my
man.
hand?
Get out of here.
Good luck. I hope you become
sure?
successful if you're doing all this extra shit.
But I got.
Just go. Asshole.
Oh shit.
Got Fresh Direct back. Fresh Direct is the shit.
Shit.
They
My
got
bad,
Fresh
my bad.
Direct where y'all
I
from?
might have to.
I probably, I highly doubt it.
I mean, get away from me. You're serious.
That's probably only a big city
does
thing.
that?
Can I sneeze on you again?
I'm gonna kick you in the ass. How's that? Shit. Get the fuck out of here.
You can barely get your foot up, big man. You need to chill.
Keep recording, bro. Get him.
Your audio's fucked up, homie.
Men don't play around, bro. You feel me? These niggas do not play around, bro.
They fix it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
I had to sneeze.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I had to sneeze.
You just fucking sneezed on my back.
Yeah.
Fucking asshole.
This is not a lane, man.
I'm sorry.
Your parents should be ashamed, man. Your parents, what up, Tim? Your parents should be ashamed that you out here doing this shit, trying to call yourself being a YouTube success. Like me reacting to your shit is probably the
My
biggest
bad,
thing
bro.
that happened to your YouTube, like, cause I got more subs and shit.
Nah, I had to sneeze.
No offense.
I'm so
I
sorry.
hope this helps. Like,
I'm sorry.
this ain't it.
Damn. Nah, y'all fuck with you. I'm
Little
recording, bro.
spray
It's
bottle.
water, bro. It's water.
Oh, there was water. I was like, yo, that was crazy, bro.
Would y'all give him a pound? Like, even if he told you it was a prank? I'd be on some better beat, but I wouldn't give him no pound.
I'm so sorry.
You're lying. Are you pranking us?
No, I just sneeze.
You're lying. You got something blue in your pants. You playing? Oh yeah, he's saying.
Nah, I like to sneeze on pretty straight.
You got a camera. You got a camera.
I just sneeze on pretty straight. You feel me? It was I sneezed on you.
No, it wasn't. It felt like extra.
I'll fuck with you. It's water. It's water.
Oh, okay.
Oh shit.
You trying to use it as a
Okay.
way to pick up chicks too?
I'm so sorry.
What is this?
I had to sneeze. I had to
Yeah, I wouldn't give him no pound. You can tell me it's a prank, I'm like, yeah, it better be. That's it.
I'm
You
not.
ain't getting no 5. And like, I'm still wet on my neck.
Where's the outline? Where's the outline next to you?
I'm so sorry.
He's about Port Authority and shit.
Nah, I was like trying to like go over here and like over there. Water.
They from Africa. You hear the accent.
Shit. My bad.
In Times Square, it's not no dangerous hood.
Oh shit, my
But
bad.
it's right by Port Authority. By the bus terminal and shit.
Nothing, bro. I had to sneeze, bro.
There's so many cops out there, ain't nobody really gonna do nothing unless they really, really upset. You about to hit them with the whole gallon. You should have threw it at his ass. But then he would have hit a whole lot of other people, so that was smart. I think I've had enough. I've had enough. I'm glad I picked this lane instead of that lane on YouTube.
No, the fuck you did not.
I had to sneeze.
Yeah, that shit's silly. That shit's silly. Alright, that was K Bonafidee, that's his name. K Bonafidee sneezing on niggas at Times Square. Like he said New York's most dangerous hood. That's not a hood at all. That's like it's Times Square, like it's one of the biggest tourist attractions in freaking New York. Damn, what's wrong with homie?
All right, your next bucket
Ain't
pool,
that
ladies.
funny at all? What's wrong, homie? Like, why you got my man all up in your YouTube looking like that? That's fucked up, man. All right, we can end that one. That wasn't really that funny. Wasn't funny at all. Wasn't funny at all. He's an obnoxious dude. At least dudes like freaking My House is Dirty. Like that should be hilarious. Some joints be funny, you know. And I'm not a big prank connoisseur at all, but like that was kind of whack. It wasn't even a good prank. I send that one.
Everything I have in life I owe to Mo. I'm not gay, but Mo was a very sexy man. We used to call him Mo Bitches. I once saw Mo in his underwear, and it changed my life. I wish I had a father like Mo. Mo paid my rent over 50 times. Okay, this is bullshit. Mo was an asshole. Mo was a petty, immature, selfish man. Oh, he was good at one thing. That's bringing the worst out of everybody he met.
Yeah, and that nigga owe me $5.